So this is our elastic section. As you can see, all sorted, and all sorted on the inside as well. So here we have it finished. Can't believe it's finished. It's taken me days to do one sleeve. That's our bias seam. Do you remember? This is our elastic part to put our arm into. I shall demonstrate. Now this sleeve isn't to go with this top that I'm wearing, but it's to do with a white sort of cotton material. So you can hold it here to see what it's like, you know, and your arm is through this way, and it hangs lovely. I'm really pleased with it, and it's down to my knees. What did I show you? It's down to my knees, so it's lovely. Really pleased with it. I would do this again for another design, another sleeve, you know, in another colour or anything like that. So I just grab it here. So this is what it's like, and it just hangs here and you can float around. So it'll make more sense with a white top on and the sleeves and the skirt, so a long skirt, this long white skirt that I have here. So bit more sense, like I say, with the other outfit on and your crown or your jewellery and things like that, so make more sense. But you see what it's like, and the nice lace at the edge. So hope you've enjoyed that. So you can check out the full design with the outfit and all the rest of it, and I hope you enjoyed what you've seen so far, and thank you for watching to see about adjustable sleeves medieval style. So you can use any material you want, chiffon, lace, velvet, satin, anything you want, and do your sleeves too, and I hope you try it out as well. Just use a bit of elastic around the edge with the edging, and put your elastic through the edging, and so you can use it for your elbow, use it at the top, and then if there's a capped sleeve on your blouse, part of your dress or whatever, you know, that'll cover all the elastic and things like that, and it'll just be nice and flowing looking. So, and if you wanted to, on that seam, the open seam, you could put buttons there to close them over, or you could just close it over if you wanted to, just stitch that down. Some people stitch it around the back way, but you could maybe use a button design so it's slightly opened to the button, and you could do it that way as well. It's more of a Grecian, Roman type style. So thank you for watching, and check out what it looks like.